Hi guys, here is Belsee. Today I will introduce this 10.1 inch IPS touchscreen Android 9 Pie system special for Renault Clio 2013 to 2018 years. Okay, let me unbox the review. Let me open the box. Okay, you can check head unit with big box and everything is okay. Okay. This is clear head unit. Harness and accessories. And this part also comes with head unit. Okay. Let me introduce the harness set first. Okay, this is special harness for Renault Clio. You can check this canvas decoder box. Renault. Okay, this connector connect back of head unit. Okay, and this connector you can check. This speaker and this power. Okay, and there is this AMP 12 voltage connect amplifier. This K1 for steering wheel control. K1 and K2 for steering wheel control, and this reserve camera input for backup camera. Okay, this is a harness will come with head unit. And this stream, this GPS antenna. This external microphone, this remote controller, this radio antenna. Okay, this camera input, this connect back of head unit and AUX input, left and right AUX input. This video input. Okay, this audio cable connect back of head unit, and this subwoofer RCA type. This video out 1 and video out 2. Okay, this AUX out front and rear, left and right. Okay. This part comes with head unit. Let me show you. You can check this install part. Also come with head unit together. Okay. And this part also come with head unit together. Okay. Let me introduce head unit. hold on, please. Okay. Let me check. It's 10.1-inch IPS touchscreen, special for Renault Clio. It's very big. Okay, you can check this head unit. You can check back. And this part, this one, install this position. Because Clio have different dashboard. Okay. You can check this buttons. This SD card slot, 2 SD card slots. This one. This piano pad. Okay, back. You can check there are 2 USB cable and external microphone. This GPS, this power, this fuse, this connectors, this Wi-Fi, this radio ports. Okay, it will come with radio antenna. Connect the radio ports. Okay. Let me find something. Okay, let me power with 12 voltage. Okay. Okay. Connect power on back. Okay, you can check the header unit will be start. camera. Okay, you can check. Okay. Let me find something. Okay, you can check this header units. Let me introduce fast response and check the settings. About motion, you can check the MCU version and CPU Octa core, memory size 4 GB. Model is PX5. Android is Android 9 Pie system. Okay. And then let me check the storage. You can check total is 34 GB. Okay. This radio, you can search the radio stations, and this date and time. It's built in the Google Maps and Google Play Store. Okay, that's all. Thank you.